And then we also
Well, that's Canada. So let's talk about South Africa.
yes,
Yeah.
They are on the move.
Yes, they are.
These guys are motivated and ready.
we thought like Canada was. I mean, we know Canada's going to be unbelievable, but some of the numbers that these South Africa team members are talking about and our partners are unbelievable. I mean, they just talked to a huge retailer with over 200 locations.
Yep.
And they're going to supply the repairs for them. And they want us to be inside these locations to support the customers because with Africa, there's a big fluctuation of like part quality.
Right.
And it's kind of all over the place. And so they're looking for somebody that's been doing this for a long time, like us, to kind of help their customers and their clients, making sure when they break their devices, they have good quality, not just service, but parts too as well. And so we're excited to launch that. We're working with Apple on it, Samsung on it. Man, I think we could probably have, not just in South Africa, but in Africa alone, 500 locations,
Yeah.
Well, Botswana, she's doing great over there as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
Just north of South Africa. Yep.
Yeah. A lot of interest and a lot of engagement, but starting to really make an international presence, as we saw 2023 closing, right? Some of these things were on our radar, they're on our horizon, but now that we're 6 months into 2024, they have blossomed and are they growing quickly? So very fantastic.